Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Simrad 290 Sun Deck. It's a phenomenal boat. It's got twin engines powered with 250s. Plenty of power for this boat. You've got the black and white coloring scheme on it. It's absolutely beautiful on the water. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 290 Sun Deck with the outboards. Let's start at the back of the boat. You've got a really large sun pad in the back, which turns into comfortable seating for 4 adults, and also the storage in the back here is incredible. All your toys, all your fenders, all your lines, plenty of room for everything in here. As we move in, you've got a little sink set up right here. You've got a refrigerator. You've got the L-shaped seating with a table that goes right in here. Cooler tucked away nicely underneath. And this lounges this way when you're going forward. You get the comfortable seating going this way. And a nice pump out head. So you've got, it's good size. You can change your clothes. It's got a handheld sprayer. You can wash yourself off. So very nice head. And at the helm, you've got the same thing. You can have the lounger go back like this. And then you get the joystick. The joystick is incredible. It can go sideways. In any docking situation, you can do it easily. And then also has the Skyhook, which locks you into position, which is fantastic as well if you're waiting for a slip assignment or that type of thing. And then also it's got the auto heading, which is an autopilot. Very easy to use. Great feature here. Digital throttle and shift. Nice recessed Simrad. Nice clean dashboard, so it's just a beautiful setup. You've got the gray flooring on the bottom, and then at the bow we've got the recessed windlass. You've got plenty of room for 2 big lounges, but plenty of room for probably 5, maybe 6 adults as well. So holds a lot of people. Boat's fast, runs great. If you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.